Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if you're a fan of phone tips tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So this video is basically for people who are not receiving messages, email messages via their Gmail account. So just do the following and make sure you watch until the end. So first things first, just make sure that your data connection is on and you have internet bundles available on your device. So basically, if you're not having data bundles on your device, definitely you will not receive any messages via your Gmail account. So be sure to make sure that you have the data bundles on your device. So basically do that and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these tech tips tricks so that you become a tech pro. And another thing that you have to do, just make sure that head to your Google Play Store and update the Gmail application which is containing your Gmail account, so that you run the latest software of the Gmail account. Although this can also be a problem in case it's not up to date, the messages might not be able to surface. So be sure to update this Gmail application so that you run the latest version of the Gmail app, so that you don't get these problems anymore. As you can see, head on to Play Store and update the Gmail app, and then do that. When you do that, you have then another thing. The next one, go to your app and clear cache. So when you go to the app information, you can use the settings area to find this app, then come there and then tap on clear cache and clear the cache, and you press OK. So when you clear cache, this will help you to receive the message. If you do this and you don't get the messages, via your account, let me know down in the comment section below. So when you go back to the app and refresh, you should be able to receive the messages. Thank you. See you next time.